Today I defend my graduation thesis. To me today it's really precious because I had a day off from work. And yes, I realized a lot about, first of all, it's gratitude. The fact that I feel like I'm like this man who lived in a castle, yet keeps saying that no, this is not a castle, and running after all the people's houses, saying that no, your house is actually more beautiful, your house is actually what I want, and keep running after those things. I feel like I need to calm down to realize that I have had the life. I am living the life that I want. And even though I feel so terrible right now, like to be in this case gratitude, being grateful is not like, oh my god, I feel so happy because I'm, even though that I am living in this situation, experiencing this situation. No, it's the I feel like shit. I feel like I feel so bad. I feel bad. This situation is so bad. It's it it feels terrible. But I am grateful because I know. Because first of all, this is what I chose. Second of all, I know that this painful experience will give me something. I just haven't been able to know what that something is. That's the first thing about gratitude. Second thing is, well, I realized that I actually came into this company with a really, really personal expectation. I expect that I will finally be able to be myself and to be contained wholly. Yeah, so like whenever my projects, content, the outcome tasks are rejected, I feel like it is actually me that is rejected, not the outcome only. So I take things personal. I take things very personal. And also, I rely too much, maybe, yeah, I would use the word too much. I rely too much on external validation. When I get the external validation, I feel safe and happy. When I don't get it, when I get the external invalidation, I feel so bad and I wanna quit and stuff. Yes, I rely too much on external validation. The third thing is, what's that? The third thing is, I forget what that third thing is. I just know that I have had a solution, and this solution is, the third thing is related to this solution. I don't know, let's just move on. The next thing is when what's that? Oh my god, I forget everything. I decided to move to stay in this situation for the next 4 months at least. Not because I am stuck, not because I don't know how to get out, not because I feel anything. I just want to go, like, to go to the end of this journey to see what will happen. I'ma go to the end of this journey to see what will happen. Maybe the fourth thing is I'ma celebrate myself. Like I guess I will make a collection for the projects, the outcomes that are rejected. Gosh. Yeah, basically that's today. External validation, fear, feeling stuck, to calm down, to see that I am actually having what I want in my hand. Gosh. Yeah, bye bye, good night.